Hey there! Have you ever thought about how to kickstart your day in a really healthy way, not just waking up but giving your body a proper clean, especially your kidneys? Picture this, every morning, not just feeling awake but also helping your body detox naturally. It's not just about shaking off sleepiness, it's about giving your kidneys a high five and getting them ready for a day of health and energy. Well, you're in luck because we're going to talk about a super easy morning habit that does just that. Plus, we'll share a cool tip at the end that can make your detox routine even better. This tip is not your regular advice, it's like a secret weapon for your health journey. So stick around until the end to hear all about it. Our kidneys are like superheroes in our body. They clean out all the yucky stuff, like toxins, and manage how much water we keep. But even superheroes need a little help sometimes, especially from what we eat. So, imagine starting your day with not just any breakfast but with fruits that are like superheroes for your kidneys. Today, we're talking about the real stars of the breakfast table, fruits that are super good for your kidneys. Are you ready to give your mornings a boost and show your kidneys some love? Let's dive in. Please note that information provided in this video is for educational purpose only. Watermelon. Okay, picture this, watermelon, that juicy, sweet fruit you love in the summer. Well, it's not just delicious, it's also super good for your kidneys. It's like a big wave of refreshment for them, helping to flush out toxins and keep them happy. Plus, it's packed with stuff called antioxidants that are like little bodyguards for your kidneys. So, every time you enjoy a slice of watermelon, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, you're giving your kidneys a big high five. Cranberries. Now, let's talk about cranberries, those little tart berries. They may be small, but they're packed with goodness for your kidneys. They're like superheroes against urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can be a real pain for your kidneys. Cranberries have this cool power to stop bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract, which helps your kidneys stay healthy. Plus, they're full of stuff that fights off bad stuff in your body, so every time you have some cranberries, you're giving your kidneys a big thumbs up. Lemons. Last but not least, lemons. Yep, those yellow fruits are not just for adding flavor to your water. They're like little superheroes for your kidneys too. Lemons are full of vitamin C and other good stuff that help your kidneys clean out toxins. Plus, they're great at keeping your body's pH balance in check, which is super important for your kidneys to work their best. So, starting your day with a squeeze of lemon in your water isn't just refreshing, it's like giving your kidneys a big hug. Now, here's the cool part. A secret tip to make all these fruits even better for your kidneys. It's all about staying hydrated. So, start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It gets your digestion going and helps your body get ready to detox. Then, munch on some watermelon and cranberries for breakfast. They'll give your kidneys a boost and keep you feeling fresh all day long. And that's it. Just a few simple changes to your morning routine can make a big difference to how you feel. So, next time you're planning your breakfast, think about giving your kidneys some love with these awesome fruits. Your body will thank you for it. Alrighty, that's all for today. Remember, your health journey is all about taking small steps every day, and even the tiniest changes can make a big difference. So, here's to a happy, healthy you. Take care, and catch you later. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more educational videos like this.